Picture on my mirror. Start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Try to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. The reason why you always on my mind, yeah. You come around, I see you, and I see you, baby, we're mine. Never know when you might walk by, so I gotta be right. I see you, and I see you. I scribble X's and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone.
Welcome back to Lamborghini TV.
Yeah, man, we on the game of the Yankees game. I don't know nothing about baseball, but
I'm telling Billy to start the intro.
Hey y'all, it's TV.
I'll verify. What's up? Me and my sister hanging out with the Yankees.
No
intro.
No scores in the
Go
first.
Yankees.
Joe, turn around. Ooh, the beat.
Sanaya.
Huh? Gang gang. Gang gang.
Yes, yes, yes. Ice cream so good.
Feels so good.
Oh yeah, I see that.
You didn't get the ticket, did you?
Regular shit type shit, you know, outside.
Yeah, right. Where? Yeah. Yeah, he ain't all that though.
What do you say? I'm in this bitch with P lady. QP ski. Yeah. That way. ZZT. TZZ. Whatever the fuck you wanna call it. We the big tree. That was a good one. That was a good one. We spin on the first and the third, yeah.
Thank you.
Now we all have matching hats.
Gotta make sure I record myself.
Get at. Let's go get our free food.
We basically just pre-gamed, I guess. I don't know. We ate, got beers, just checking out the scenery. So now we're just waiting for the game to start. And I guess we'll eventually take our seats. Period.
By the dawn's early light, so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last
Batting fifth at second base, number 19, Michael. Batting sixth, the designated hitter. DJ Cavazzi, number 26. Batting seventh and left field, number 9. And the starting pitcher for the Yankees this afternoon is number 45, Derek.
The very next day. So right now we are at the liquor store because we're about to go to the pool. I mean, not the pool, the beach. And there you left me.
Of what?
Did y'all like that sticky rum Mai Tai?
Yeah, that's that shit is 13%.
Life is coming up.
Nigga said, shut your ass up.
Beach day. Can you stop moving?
That's the. Yo, people really dressed up to go see Barbie?
Yes.
Why y'all ain't do it?
I have a good beach.
You and Tia should have did that.
I wanted to go to see Barbie tonight. We would do some shit like that.
Can't believe you went ahead and told us. Same niggas that slept up on the floor talking about me. One thing niggas got me. Little niggas block, I get mad by the post. Happen ain't dead, you know them bags got a post. So when I
Y'all
grab
think y'all had one day to wear? One what?
There's a lot of people here today.
Oh, I see. Y'all make North Hill. Thank you, Raj, for telling me. Hey, guys.
Hey. Day 2, or 3, or 4, or 5, or 6. Come on, Tia.
But I want to ask Andre. My phone is fucking right here. Sometimes I get in my feelings. Sometimes I know I be shit. Why these hoes all in my business? How you know? Yeah, you still hear me at night? I bet you can't post a picture. Bet you can.
From origin tiny.
What is your thing? What is your short thing? I don't Kelly. I don't care. I don't Kelly. I don't care.
I don't Kelly.
I don't Kelly. I don't Cardi. I do give. I do give a lot.
Oh fuck.
Fuck about it.
So we are watching the sunset now. Feels so good out here. It's not hot no more. Cool down.
When the boomerang first came on, the girl was like,
I just thought it's not even a body shame. It's just like the fact that they can't live with their body. And look, I get it. Hold on, let me show them this video.
Good for me. Why won't you please swing my way? Try to swing my way. Swing it over here, honey. Hey Guinea Gang, welcome back to Night Guinea TV. Just checking back in with y'all. Still in Connecticut, you know, still with the family. Can't see them. Not focused. So right now, well today I actually didn't do anything. Like the day is done and it's my last day here. I babysat Zen today, my little cousin. And then now we're on the way to Xavion's basketball game. Try to swing my way. But yeah, check back in with y'all when we get to the game.
we're gonna make it. Oh, you attached them. Oh.
I feel like I just got bit. Rodane? Rodane? Rhoda? Is that you? You got your hair braided. Please touch them.
That's my business, man.
Good job. Y'all need to talk.
You gotta get that to no,
It's all right. Good foul. Good foul.
Good board. Nice pass.
It's okay, we still in it. Woo! Yeah, Daquan! What a way to play through adversity. No, 31-25. I guess he's a player and a coach.
Yeah.